Hopefully you'll surprise us. And this is the last time I think they're closing the basilica for us. So we're so grateful that we are here to enjoy St. Peter's Basilica. Let me give you a little tour. See? St. Peter is below that. So beautiful, St. Peter's Basilica. Beauty of Jesus attracts. Thank you, St. Peter.